we got things covered up. Ready to paint some smaller bits. The bed of the truck. Hardware that's going to be exposed, like to hang on the little bed skirts and fenders and whatnot. I want those painted the body color, so we're ready to go. Tomorrow morning I'll spray some color on the bed. I think we'll be ready in the morning. Alright, I started spraying and I got into it and I got going and I realized I wasn't recording anything, but I didn't want to stop, so I just kept rolling with it. I ran out of paint in my cup, so I didn't get a very thorough coating on the back side of the bed, that panel, but it's alright. I'll hit it on the next one because I only have enough for one more cup. So I've really got to be smart about what I cover. So obviously this part that's going to be up against the back of the bed is going to be my lowest priority. I'm going to hit these parts again, really get the tailgate part for sure really good, and make sure that all these panels are good to go. Alright, this is the last of it. Now I don't care how expensive it turns out. You put the top shifter in this, which requires me to take the insides out in order to pull the forks that are connected to these. So let's disassemble this guy. Put the gasket on there. Take these off. They gotta go in that way, but they're connected to these, and so in order to get this out, I gotta take this whole thing out. This was just laid on there, so it's not smushed or anything. Should be fine to reuse. There it goes. So what I'm trying to figure out is this piece, these side shift pieces go through and they connect to these. Right here and right there. That's what these go into. That shift these back and forth. But if I remove them, I have to plug these holes. But if I leave them, they might just, I mean, I'm not going to hit them, will I? I wonder if the forks on these would interfere with them. I don't think they would. I think they would just snug right up against these and not even come close to that. And these forks would go inside this groove and not hit that. I think. I'm going to try it out. Okay, I think it'll work. So I'm just putting these screws in the top here. And I'm going to try shifting it around and see what happens. This will be reverse. First. Ow. Oh. Ow. I'm going to hang on to these just in case I need to go back to the side shift for whatever reason. Alright, transmission's done, ready to go back in, and I think I'm done painting. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.